Welcome everyone to today's Microsoft Excel tip. Today we actually focus on how to hide and also unhide very sensitive information in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Assuming you have this data from either the finance department or the HR department, yes, it's all okay. And it's moving from your desk to the next person, and you don't want them to know the CEO's salary. Remember, it's in a row. So if you want to hide the CEO in a particular row, what you do is you move the cursor. Make sure you click here to make sure that the entire row is selected. And all you have to do is as simple. Just right click and a dialog box open. Look for the word hide. Voila! As simple as that. So the CEO's name salary is missing here. As simple as that. Assuming not only that, you want to hide this entire column here that contains the salary of all the staff. No, don't even worry at all. That one is so simple too. Move your cursor to where you have the column ID. So column D, I select it. I right click the same way I see the dialog box, and I scroll down to hide. Voila! As simple as that. We make things very easy. In the same way, if I want to unhide, just move your cursor here. When you have this icon here, all you have to do is either right click, a dialog box opens the same way, and you look for unhide. Voila! As simple as that. The same way it can also move. And when I have in between row 7 and row 9, I can right click and unhide. Our work here is to make you more efficient, save time, and more effective. For more tips, you can hit on the subscribe button below or even hit on the like button. You can also leave your comments and our team of data analysts will respond. See you in our next video. Bye.